I'm about to start one of the longest journeys I've ever been on. I just woke up after a full night of sleep, and this is what it looks like outside my hotel window. Apparently that's all from the pollution, and there's some crops being burned nearby, but that's some pretty poor visibility. I'm told you're not supposed to wear stripes on camera. I'm in India for the first time, and I really have no idea what to expect. I don't have many friends who have visited here on their own. Growing up, I've been taught that this place is overpopulated, very hot, and polluted, and I've been told the food is really good too. This is just insane. So I'm not just here for fun. I'm with an organization I love working with called One Child. And I've done a whole bunch of trips with them in the past. Kenya, the Philippines, Honduras. I believe in One Child and their cause. To take children out of hard places, provide holistic care, and give them hope and to thrive. I'm touring around the country, collecting photos and videos that help tell the stories of positive change. We're at a Hope Center that's in the middle of Mumbai. It's located in a really tall building where we have access to the 3rd and 4th floors. Classrooms are incredible. They're really small, but there's so much texture and color and shape. I'm gonna take the Fuji into the classrooms and shoot some photos in black and white. The reason I'm here is to capture a story about a guy named Sandeep. Right now he lives and works in the United States, but he grew up here in India for the first 24 years of his life, living in poverty. Sandeep saw that other children had access to schooling, fresh water, fresh food, and he wanted that for himself. But he was also told by the people around him that he would not be able to have those things for himself because of the situation that he lived in. Because of a non-profit organization that does sponsorships for children, he was able to have a sponsor parent. Through the sponsorship, he was able to get access to education, proper food to eat, and clean water to drink. But more importantly, he was given hope and a purpose for his future. Fast forward a couple years, and Sandeep now lives in the United States. He started a family, and now he works at organizations to help children that were in situations similar to his. Sandeep grew up in poverty. He took us to the market, to the exact stall where him and his dad would sell potatoes to make money. He showed us one of the houses that he lived for many years of his life. There really wasn't much to the house. A small kitchen and waiting area, and a room with a bed in it. Since moving to the United States, Sandeep's been able to put aside some money for his parents. They've purchased a home with electricity, running water, no leaks in the roof, something that they've dreamed of for their entire life. It's a very modest home, but something completely different than what they've grown up with. During this trip, Sandeep had the opportunity to meet the child that he now sponsors in Mumbai. It was a pretty unreal experience. The child was so surprised and happy that there's somebody on the other side of the world funding his education and his everyday needs, as well as writing him monthly letters of encouragement. And that person came all the way across the world to come meet him. Sandeep got to spend some time with his child and visit his home to see where he lives. I'm gonna keep shooting tourism and hospitality and landscapes and everything that I usually do. When stories like this are happening, stories of transformation, stories of change, and stories of hope, I wanna do my part in capturing and sharing these stories that matter and are real. Through a stranger's generosity, they were able to change the course of this man's life. And on top of that, his family, his community, and now the global community. Stories like this get me really excited, and I feel like it's such a privilege to be here to help share and capture the story.